And now for all the details. India has expanded coronavirus curbs in parts of the country as it continued to report more than 20,000 infections for the sixth straight day on Tuesday, after a relatively controlled January and February. The government has blamed crowding and a general reluctance to wear masks for the spike.
India reported 24,492 new coronavirus cases on Tuesday, the sixth straight day of more than 20,000 infections, as curbs to try to stop the spread of COVID-19 were expanded in parts of the country that have recorded a surge. Total cases in India have now risen to 11.41 million, with 158,856 deaths reported so far. The government has blamed crowding and a general reluctance to wear masks for the spike, ruling out mutations of the virus as a factor, unlike in the West. India's worst affected state, Maharashtra, on Monday ordered cinemas, hotels, and restaurants to limit guests to half of capacity until the end of the month. Weddings and other social events will also have limited attendance. Maharashtra has also locked down some districts and cities, including Nagpur and Pune.
We are going to get maybe another waves the way it is going. I hope we don't get it, but it's a time we have to introspect and we have to be strict. We have to enforce them some strictness. The way the gathering has increased from 50 to 200 and even more than that, and a lot of functions and parties going on. This is not a good sign, and this is not a good trend.
Meanwhile, India's western Gujarat state has also decided to not allow fans into the world's biggest cricket stadium, hosting international matches between India and England after seeing a spurt in cases. The initial matches were attended by tens of thousands of people, leading to widespread criticism on social media. India has vaccinated nearly 26 million people since beginning its inoculation campaign in mid January. The country aims to vaccinate 300 million of its 1.35 billion people by August.